Introducing this beautiful 2014 Toyota Sienna LE Conversion van. Offering a VMI Northstar side entry automatic in-floor ramp and kneeling system. This vehicle features a 3.5-liter V6 engine and around 33,000 miles. This conversion van allows you to remove either driver or passenger seats to allow the mobility user to position themselves into either position. With the touch of a button, your sliding door will automatically open and the ramp and kneeling system will deploy. Regain your mobility independence and freedom with this 2014 Toyota Sienna LE Conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.